Building of a wooden water lily pond with liner. Here we have our team AJ and Eric placing the support for the mini pond. The support is complete. Now we will place a wooden tray on it. They align and level the tray so that it can hold water to a constant level. The tray is fixed with nails so that it does not fall and stay stable. A piece of liner is placed on the wooden tray to hold the water. AJ is preparing the water lily. Now he is preparing the water pond by pouring rainwater in it. Here it is, our water lily pond is done. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.